Ki Kynhun ki Bakanthop ya ka Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association ka KSU NEHU unit nang tapde ka Northeastern Hill University Students Union bat kibai haka jingilang bat ki arngut ki officer ka tenat Pule Puthi ka Sorkar Pdeng kila penpau badalele ru kin kwa asyo bau Professor PS Shukla unwan pai biang syakani ka Skulbah. Haka arpuar tarik jemang arhajar arpsan nak liang keterat Pule Puthi ke Sorkar Pdeng kalapha yau Sunil Kumar Baranwal u Additional Secretary jang keterat Higher Education bad u Subrat Kumar Pradhan u bedai u Director keterat Higher Education jang ke Sorkar Pdeng ban jurip alor ke Jinglong Jingman haga Skulbah NEHU. Habai keren bad u Sunil Kumar Baranwal ule tho bakani ke jingelang kalong baga Sorkar Pdeng kaku abantip ke Jinglong Jingman haga Skulbah NEHU. Bat kejingelang hi kalalong kabasaiso. U President ke Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association u Professor Lakhon Khmih. Ulaong ba kejingelang kalong kabasaiso damar habapet ya kejing penlong ya kejingelang kapau hi kumbakiwan chane banpet ikurukom trekam jengane ke Skulbah klem u Vice Chancellor Bapura. Da kabakado ba ya kejingjah ki benai kebelalet kila tiplot bat kila snoto ru ba Vice Chancellor barim un amla asyuk banwan pa ke Skulbah NEHU. Mereka jingwan juki kalong ban penbet ika kenrum kenram hakan ika Skulbah. U Rikidai Buram Rabon u Vice President kan NEHU ulaong ba kejingwan ka kenhuan hi syakan ika jingyalang kalong ban bat ika nong rem ban amsya asyo yu Professor PS Shukla wan pai syakan ika jaka Pule. Bat kila penpauru ba kejingwan juki kalong ban penbet yaki kenrum kenram. U General Secretary ka KSU NEHU unit u Kevin Nelson Wanrat ulaong bakiliyo man pensngo yaki mat haki officer katanat Pule Puthi ke Sorkar Pdeng bad iletu ru haki ke Jinglong Jingman jang ke Skulbah hakapor bay layalam dau Professor PS Shukla.
Can you tell us about the review meeting?
Only about the review meeting, sir. How was it?
Yes, I had a good meeting with the faculty, all the teaching deans, head of the departments, and good experience. I hope everything will be normal and will work better.
It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was look like the team came here to assess the situation, that how we are doing with or without the regular VC, and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem in the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as Nehuta just now, we highlighted and they know what is important. I don't have to repeat. I think you all have been here since November last year and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even, let's say, think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve the matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter, and we are also as a university, as Teachers Association, I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally, they have finished meeting us, they are meeting NEHU and after that NEHUNSA and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them that seems like they are willing to find a solution so that NEHU comes back to normalcy. And that is where I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 4-5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. We have asked, and they don't seems to have any reply because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us because we indeed started the meeting, that before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry, we are still studying. But look like apparently they have already made up their mind, but what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But in no, they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee.
Did Professor Shukla attend the meeting through video conference?
No, certainly not. I don't think it is proper or it will be appropriate for him, because this committee independently came here to assess the situation, that when he's not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university. I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he's interacting with the team that we don't know. We are not privy to it, but with the meeting of stakeholders in NEHU, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting vice chancellor, Professor S.M. Sungo, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. And Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
Hakaba ngin pediang subha gini bro artli ki arngot ki bri kiwan apa Ministry of Education tambala daka kiwan haringkat ka jingdan jung Shukla ngin pediang yo Shukla namar pilatep hi ke bejah po ni university po jingelam jong te menepat menemestap ni yo jing tep ba kinwan bit thik tang maki tengi ru na kaliang jungi ngi pediang yeki te ngi sutana ru ka ju por kilak ailang ya ka por ban yo kendo ini te na kaliang ka jungi ngi layo ban pensngo yeki mat ki jura ka bangi kendo kini ki sing stamp ki blalet kamtam ru kunjo ka por ba jingelam jong NEHU Shukla te nakaliang kajungi nila pensngo shibun ki aka bat ni suturu ba hakani kapor katanya ba umdan pat NEHU Shukla la simti shwa ni kong Professor Saha hadian jo Madam Sungo hakani kapor ni sutu ya kajing ya bet ya tinti ki classes kajing ya ka development ka dan hapo ka university berapa way ni sedang banyo kita ki basic necessities ki jongi ki ba ke bangi dan kam nadu ka srok kaya lenti ki footpath ki street lights kini kita kilala ban urlong pat ha ka jingelam jong Madam Sungo bat u ashwa jong Professor Saha te ni laban suturu ba ha ka jingelam pat jong Madam Sungo henden ka singal dan ka academic council te ha ka ba shibun palat cispa tam kino hikai kila iwan hakani kapo hakani ka academic council kata ka pen ishai ka jinglong tre back tre hok jong ini Madam Sungo but nakaliang ka jungi students su menen ka singi la yo simbatalang ha ka academic council but ka pen i ka jing shania tili tolong jungi students but kumju ki no hikai ha ka jinglam linti jong Madam Sungo but ha ka ju oporo kumbang laong ba menen ka singi la draft ka shithi ya kata ka jing wan jung ni arngot ki na po Ministry of Education ni pediang iki Henry ka jingwan jung Professor Shukla minum pediang dalele tang kata hi kadai kawai ka mat ka bapangsan nadu usni ni kong bang yong baniki la kalong hapo paper bangila penya nadu ki snam gi blalet ne nadu hadu to sni bangya shong sha than ro kata ka ju sor ka banmi nangni shkmat ba nginu dalele ngin pediang yu Professor
ke ibadah kejihir ya you pichu po jina
apo jong ka jingelang ila yo ban karan shibun ki mat ki bangsan khamtam ki hostel issues ki library issues ki infrastructure ka jingduna jugi na hikai bat ka jing bamdan ka recruitment hapo henry nakaliang juki ngi sutanat bakila sngap bat ki ongru ya kita ki issues kinsa shim kya bat kinsale ka badan kam haki singi bla ki bansawan